Hi everyone, my name is Navneesh and you're watching English with Navneesh. Learn English for free. Today is 16th of December and let's look at today's 3 smart words for the day and 1 idiom. However, before I start with the video, I would request to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and families. All the examples that I will take or I will talk will be available in the description. So let's start with the video. The first word for today is recommend. Recommend means to suggest that someone or something would be good or suitable for a particular job or purpose, or to suggest that a particular action should be done for a particular purpose or role. So pronunciation link is available in the description. For example, George had recommended some local architects. That means George has suggested someone as a local architect. Second example, I can recommend you for this job. That means I can suggest your name for this particular job. Similar words for recommend will be suggest, mention, put forward. So that was today's first word for the day. And always remember, I think you must have watched my earlier video on how to improve your English. The link will be available in the description somewhere on the top. So the 3 things that we need to remember if you want to improve your English is read, listen and practice. So you will see these 3 things on all the slides. So if you want to improve your English, make sure that you read every day for an hour. Make sure that you listen what you have read, and most important, you need to practice. Only then you can improve your language. Let's look at today's second word. Second word for today is pragmatic. Now, pragmatic means solving problems in a sensible way that suits the conditions that really exists. Pronunciation link is available in the description. For example, she was a dreamer, not pragmatic. That means she was realistic. She used to see a lot of dreams, but she used to see a lot of realistic dreams. Second example, he tends to be very pragmatic. That means he tends to be very practical or realistic. Similar words, practical, down to earth. Let's look at third word for the day, elucidate. Elucidate means to explain something or make something clear. Pronunciation link is available in the description. Example, you have not understood, allow me to elucidate. That means let me explain you with few more examples. There was no need for him to elucidate. That means there was no need for him to explain. Elucidate means to explain something clearly. Similar words, clear or clarify. So these were 3 words for today. Let's look at today's idiom. Today's idiom is bun in the oven. Bun in the oven, if you look at the picture, that means to be pregnant or to be expecting a baby. So you can use this particular phrase if you see someone who is pregnant. Let's look at an example. After trying for a baby for several years, Mark was happy when his wife told him she had a bun in the oven. Let's look at another example. Throwing a baby shower is one of the best ways to announce that you have a bun in the oven. So this was today's idiom. Let's look at the milestone. As this is a new channel, English with Navneesh, I still have to reach 50 subscribers and I would require 3 more subscribers. And if you're watching this video and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so that I can reach 50. To reach 400, I require 17 views. Yes, to reach 15 videos, I will upload 2 more videos. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it has increased your vocabulary. Most important, I would request you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, the name of my channel is English with Navneesh. Learn English for free. There's one more channel that I have, that is Navneesh Art. I would request to subscribe to that channel as well. That channel will have a lot of drawings, will have a lot of art. Thank you so much for joining today. Have a great day, and we will meet tomorrow with 3 more words and 1 idiom for the day. Thank you for joining in.